Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X30 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this Nokia. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then choose system. Now select languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Following that, you need to tap on text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!